Now I introduce you a type SCV7. When you want to use some machine, you just need stand on the machine. Then the machine will
Mark is strict and so. Measurement is over.
Measurement is over. You can check the data on this screen. You can check clearly this is a BMI. Most of the hospitals like this type very much because this have one advantage. It can very easy to take outside to testing, especially for some clinic using. You say first make this loosen. When you receive the machine is like this. You see? Put this down. And then you can easily move because it has the wheel under the machine, you see? You can easily to take it outside and move. Then finish.